हे 170 पाहिजे ना?
जास्त
नाही नाही ते बरोबर आहे. ते 949 946
कर चालू है लोड निकल.
हाँ अभी लोड निकलो.
आणि वो क्या होता है मालूम है?
Universal earth compactors provide the most reliable and sturdy solution for compaction. The primitive method of manual compaction gives very less pressure and requires more time. Universal earth compactors are available in the electrical and engine version of 3 HP, 5 HP and 8 HP. The vibrating plate is perfectly designed to give minimum resistance. Before assembling, the machine is heat treated by the annealing process. Once started, the machine gives successive vibrations and starts functioning. The rapid successive vibration penetrates the ground and gives perfect compaction. After achieving certain compaction, it moves forward by itself and the operator is required only to give direction. The compaction is done layer-wise, 150 mm to 200 mm, to give perfect results. The machine is very rigid and requires very low maintenance cost. The hydraulic block laying machine is also called as the egg laying type of machine. It is to be used on a concrete platform or a leveled ground and casts 2000 blocks per 8-hour shift. All the bars are hard chrome plated and the machine is provided with special lubricating arrangement at necessary points. The material is fed in the mold with the help of a special tray. After 15 seconds of thorough vibration by the 2 HP vibrator, the material settles down, filling the air voids. This material is then compacted by lifting the ramp hydraulically and giving 4 or 5 successive impacts. Then the whole assembly of the mold and the ramp is lifted up with a heavy-duty hydraulic 5 HP power pack arrangement and the machine moves forward with the help of a 1 HP geared motor to get ready for the next cycle. The blocks are left in their original position for 1 day and are then sent for curing.
The Universal Works platform is our latest addition to the impressive inventory of our R&D team. It is indigenous, commercially viable, fast, safe, and a completely portable answer to the most time-consuming, labor-intensive, costly construction operations done by conventional scaffoldings. The Universal Mast Climbing Works platform can be used for aluminium or glass cladding, bricklaying, external plastering, painting, etc. It is a perfect solution for repair and maintenance work and can be used to carry delicate material such as bathroom fittings, tiles, marble, etc. The other applications include repairs and maintenance work in shipyards, hoardings, chimneys, and various other industrial uses. The Universal Mast Climbing Works platform is engineered to perfection with its rack and pinion drive at a speed of 6 meters per minute to give a smooth operation, which also ensures safety during its use. It is completely portable with self-driven wheels for easy horizontal movement. The mast with male-female joints can be easily erected and installed with an erecting boom and can be used up to 10 meters without support just by using jacks. Anchoring is done at an interval of every 6 meters. The platform measures 10 meters in length and 1.35 meters in width, which provides for safe working conditions. The workers get ample space and are safe, unlike the scaffolding where erection is a time-consuming and labor-oriented job. A double mast work platform up to 40 meters of platform length can be provided as per requirement. The platform travels at a speed of 6 meters per minute and the twin motor drive facilitates high safety in case of failure of either motor. The control panel is rigid and user-friendly and provides accurate control while stopping the lift at the required height. The guide rollers maintain accurate tolerance during the movement of the lift on the mast and thus ensure a safe and smooth slide. Thus, the Universal Works platform is a perfect solution for speedy and safe construction.
Universal has always considered customer feedback and requirement as a prime asset of the company, and with its R&D efforts will continue to do so in the future. Get connected with Universal to have the largest selling network of construction equipment at your doorstep. The mini lift is popularly known as the mini crane. It can be easily installed in 30 minutes. It can be clamped onto the column on which the material is to be taken by the help of adjustable column clamps. It is powered by a 3 HP single-phase motor or a 4 HP diesel engine. Only a single person is required to operate it, and the material can be taken on the floor by turning the boom, which can turn up to 180 degrees. The machine can be used up to a height of 125 feet and can handle heavy weight. For example, 50 tons of material on the 5th floor in an 8-hour shift. It can also be used in compact places. The Universal Mini Batching Machine is popularly known as the Reversible Drum Mixer. It gives a homogeneous mix by mixing the material in one direction and unloading in the other. The machine is available in capacities of 8 cubic meters per hour, 12 cubic meters per hour, and 15 cubic meters per hour. The accurately machined gear ring and pinion gives smooth operation of the mixing drum, and the mixing drum can be turned by a simple handle mechanism to unload the material in case of power failure. The machine has been provided with 4 wheels for easy portability and has heavy-duty chassis and jacks for leveling the machine. The most advanced load cell-based weighing system is a unique feature developed by Universal. The load cells weigh the material accurately and can be used with separate weighing bins to increase the production. In the single bin mixer, the material is weighed accurately by loading one after the other. The mixer hopper with 2 bins facilitates simultaneous weighing of 2 materials. The 3-bin mixer facilitates loading of 3 different materials at the same time. A mixer with 4 bins can also be provided. A single heavy-duty hydraulic cylinder is provided to operate the hopper. The automatic water feeding system accurately disperses the set quantity of water and also has the provision to handle impure water at the site. The automatic admixture dosing system disperses the exact quantity of admixture in the concrete. The mixer can be used with the Tough Rider and tar crane and can also be used for pumping large volume of concrete by the concrete pump. The Universal Paving block making machine is based on the principle of vibration and compaction, which gives high strength blocks. Various models are available according to the required output. The base plate is placed under the mold and the material is fed in the mold with the help of a hydraulic drawer. An extra drawer for face layer can be provided. The material is vibrated thoroughly to remove air voids. It is pressed under a high-pressure hydraulic force. Thus, good quality pavers are obtained. Various shapes can be cast by just interchanging the molds. Paving blocks are intensively used for footpaths, gardens, petrol pumps, and even roads. The Universal Rack and Pinion type passenger cum material handling lift is a unique result of the continuous research conducted by the Research and Development team of Universal. In a high-rise structure, the PM lift can be installed externally besides the building during its construction and is useful in many ways. It is used by consultants, engineers and technicians to enter the required floor for inspecting and keeping a close eye on the quality of the construction work during construction. It can carry workmen along with their tools and fittings, as well as other valuable items such as electrical fittings, bathroom fittings, hardware, etc. It is also used to show customers and clients their actual apartments and the surrounding view from them. The PM lift can also be used for other applications and needs of a high-rise structure such as chimneys, towers, dams, mines, shafts, etc. Let us now take a look at the features that make the PM lift a mandatory requirement at a construction site. The PM lift can be easily installed within 48 hours with its self-erecting boom and male-female mast, which has a length of 1.5 meters each. The cage measures 2.1 meters in length, 1.5 meters in width and 2.1 meters in height. The design can be altered to suit specific requirements. This spacious cage facilitates easy carriage of passengers and material. The accurately machined rack and pinion give smooth operation, which ensures safety and durability of the lift. The disc braking arrangement gets activated automatically in case of failure of the gearbox, thus making the lift extremely safe. Both the doors are fitted with safety limit switches that ensure the movement of the lift only when the doors are properly locked. The mounting of the twin motor drive facilitates high safety in case of failure of either motor. The control panel is rigid and user-friendly and provides accurate control while stopping the lift at the required height. The guide rollers maintain accurate tolerance during the movement of the lift on the mast and thus ensure a safe and smooth slide. The counterweights provided balance the structure of the lift and help in reducing the power consumption as well as the load on the motors. All these features and the extreme usability of the universal PM lift renders it an absolute necessity in the changing construction scenario, which demands speed, quality, safety, and most importantly, customer satisfaction. The needs of today's construction industry. The simple nut-bolt type assembly enables the plant to be erected or shifted within 24 hours. A negligible amount of cost is required for the PCC foundation, unlike other batching plants which require at least 15 days to get erected, and the large cost required for the foundation is wasted after the project is completed. Universal batching plants are available in semi-automatic and fully automatic versions with capacities of 12 cubic meters per hour, 15 cubic meters per hour, 20 cubic meters per hour, and 30 cubic meters per hour. The plant consists of a centralized control cabin. The entire operation of the plant can be accurately controlled by the fully automatic and semi-automatic control panel. The automatic belt conveyor aggregate feeding system takes the aggregate stored in the storing hopper into the mixer hopper as per the quantities set in the control panel. Cement and fly ash are fed separately from the stored hopper by a charging screw conveyor. They are weighed one after the other at the top and then discharged in the mixer drum accurately. The most advanced load cell based weighing system is used in the universal mini batching plant. Sand, metal 1, metal 2 and metal 3 are weighed in different compartments. The load cells are attached with the mixer, which facilitates the use of the mixer independently. Water and admixture are automatically fed in the mixer drum accurately during each cycle by initially entering the value. The mixing unit of batching plant is the reversible drum mixer. It prepares a uniform and homogeneous mix. Universal vibratory sand screening machine gives a perfect solution to achieve 100% screening of valuable sand. It has a heavy-duty vibrator which is used to vibrate the screening mesh. The material is put on the vibrating screen. The oversized gravel passes on the front side and the screened material passes back on the inclined tray. Even wet sand can be effectively screened. The size of the screening mesh can be changed according to the requirement on the construction site, and it is supported by a 1-inch weld mesh which increases its life. The vibratory sand screening machine pays back its price within a short span of time. The sand obtained from river or sea contains impurities such as silt, salt, etc., which decrease the quality of the concrete. By using the sand washing machine, the silt percentage is reduced to 2 or 3% after washing, if the original silt content is 17 to 18%. The sand is first screened and then churned in the water tub by the screw conveyor action of the blades, reducing the impurities. These impurities get dissolved in the water, which is continuously ejected, and after draining the water, pure sand is available. Models with an input capacity of 4 cubic meters per hour and 6 cubic meters per hour are available. The screening arrangement can be removed if not required. The machine is portable and can be shifted from site to site.